Hello student, welcome to Maharana sir. आज हम डिस्कसन करबा पॉलिटिकल साइंस रो 50 टी अति महत्वपूर्ण क्वेश्चन जहाँ प्रत्येक एग्जाम ପାଇଁ अति महत्वपूर्ण अटे। चलंतु दिन को स्टार्ट करबा। प्रथम क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द स्टेटस ऑफ द राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी नाउ? राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी रो स्टेटस वर्तमान कोन? लीगल राइट, नॉट लीगल राइट, ह्यूमन राइट ना फंडामेंटल राइट? राइट आंसर इज लीगल राइट. Right to property is now legal right. Right to property ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ କ'ଣ? The Indian Constitution does not recognize right to property right. The Indian Constitution does not recognize property right as a fundamental right. Indian Constitution property right को fundamental right भावे recognize करनाहांती. In the year 1977, 44th Amendment claimed right to acquire, hold or dispose property. अब ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏବେ right to property ଅଛି आर्टिकल 301 रे. ଆଉ ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ fundamental right ନ ହେଇକି ଗୋଟେ statutory right. When were fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution? 1976 रे fundamental duty Indian Constitution रे ଆସିଥିଲା. The 42nd Constitution Amendment Act 1976 has incorporated 10 fundamental duties in Article 51. Article 51 एकरे 42तम संविधान संशोधन 1976 रे फंडामेंटल ड्यूटीज एड होइतिला जहा कि यूएसएसआर रो संविधान रो आना जायछि. Who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India? का पाखरे सही अधिकार अछि जे कि जे कोनोसी केस को जे कोनोसी हाई कोर्ट को जे कोनोसी राज्य को मध्य ट्रांसफर कर पारे. फाइनल अथॉरिटी होछि सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Who is the final authority to interpret the constitution? Final authority के एटा भी आंसर सुप्रीम कोर्ट. Who was the chairman of drafting committee? Drafting committee रो chairman के थे? जवाहरलाल नेहरू, सरदार वल्लभ पटेल, बी आर आंबेडकर, के मुंशी. आंसर इज बी आर आंबेडकर. How many members of the Constitution Assembly signed the Constitution of India? केते जन मेंबर साइन करथिले? 284 जन मेंबर साइन करथिले. The permanent president of Constitution Assembly was permanent president के थे? डॉक्टर आंबेडकर, बी आर आंबेडकर, राजेंद्र प्रसाद, के मुंशी, जवाहरलाल नेहरू. राइट आंसर इज डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. Who among the following was not a member of drafting committee of the Constitution of India? ए निम्नतम मध्यरु किए ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी मेंबर नथिले? बी आर आंबेडकर तो थिले चेयरमैन, के मुंशी थिले ना कृष्णस्वामी अय्यर ना फोर्थ ऑफ एम के गांधी कि नथिले पचारछि. राइट आंसर इज एम के गांधी. ताल देखि दबा टोटल के जण थिले ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी मेंबर मान अपॉइंट कराइतला 29 अगस्त 1947 रे. आ इथरे मेंबर थिले 6 जण. चेयरमैन जणे आ 6 जण अदर मेंबर थिले. कि थिले ना बी आर आंबेडकर तो चेयरमैन थिले. अन्य 6 जण हेले के मुंशी, आलड़ी कृष्णस्वामी अय्यर, एन गोपाल स्वामी आयंगर, बी एल मित्तल, एम डी सादुल्ला एंड डी पी खातून. Who among the following were the member of the drafting committee of the constitution? ए निम्नलिखित के मेंबर थिले? वल्लभ पटेल नथिले, जवाहरलाल नेहरू नथिले, सरदार पटेल नथिले. ताले के आलड़ी कृष्णस्वामी अय्यर थिले. The form of oath of the office of a minister for the Union of India is ancient in the गोटे मिनिस्टर रो शपथ नेबा पे इंडिया रे केते नंबर शेड्यूल रे वर्णना अछि? फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ. आंसर इज थर्ड शेड्यूल. The form of oath office for a minister for the Union of India is ancient in the third schedule of the constitution. In first schedule list of state union territories, प्रथम शेड्यूल रे अछि स्टेट यूनियन, सेकंड रे अछि सैलरी ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट, गवर्नर, चीफ जस्टिस, चीफ जज एंड जज ऑफ हाई कोर्ट्स एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट. आउ सीएजी रो अछि कोन? फर्स्ट रे स्टेट यूनियन, सेकंड रे ओथ सॉरी सैलरी, थर्ड रे हमर ओथ, फोर्थ रे कोन शेड्यूल इज फोर्थ शेड्यूल इज एलोकेशन ऑफ सीट फॉर ईच स्टेट ऑफ इंडिया इन राज्यसभा. राज्यसभा रे एलोकेशन करिया पे सीट को अछि फोर्थ शेड्यूल. द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया vests the executive power of the Indian Union in which of the following? executive power का पाखरे अछि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन रे? The prime minister, the president, the council of minister na the parliament? Answer is the president. Executive power of the Indian refers to the president. Executive power होची president करो. द चेयरमैन ऑफ द ड्राफ्टिंग कमिटी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन असेंबली ऑफ इंडिया वाज किए चेयरमैन थे एबे पढ़ी आसले बी आर आंबेडकर अपॉइंट करते 29 अगस्त 1947 द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया वाज एडॉप्टेड कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के एडॉप्ट होता 26 नवंबर 1949 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया एडॉप्टेड ऑन 26 नवंबर 1949 मन रहला इंडिया केम इट केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन 26 जनवरी 1950 केबे केम इनटू फोर्स हेतला ना 26 जनवरी 1950 रे बट एडॉप्ट हेतला 26 नवंबर 1949 इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन केम इनटू फोर्स ऑन केबे फोर्स कार्य रे लागितला 26 जनवरी 1950 26 जनवरी 1950 रे कार्य रे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन The Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. It was adopted by the Constitutional Assembly on 26 November 1950. Adopted ହେଇଥିଲା 26 ନଭେମ୍ବର 1950. Republic Day honor the date of on which the Constitution of India came into 26 January 1950, replacing the Governor of India Act 1935 as the government document of India. The Constitution of India was framed by India Constitution ଟା का द्वारा फ्रेम ହେଇଥିଲା Planning Commission, Constitutional Assembly, President na Working Committee. Right answer is Constitution Assembly. The Constitution of India was framed by the Constitutional Assembly that was formed on 9 December 1946. Constitutional Assembly केबे form ହେଇଥିଲା 9 December 1946. It was formed following negotiations between Indian leaders and members of the 1946 cabinet mission to India. The Indian Constitution was adopted on 26 November 1949, came into force on 26 January 1950. Which of the following schedule deals with the division of powers between Union and state? क्यों schedule power को division of power करछि between Union and state भितरे कोटा 7th schedule of the Indian Constitution division of power between Union and state. The 7th schedule of the Constitution deals with the division of powers between Union and states. Article 246, the Union, state and concurrent list of responsibilities. 6th schedule deals with the provision for the administration of tribal areas. 6th schedule है कौन provision ଦେଇଛି tribal area ଯେମିତି କି ଆସାମ ମେଘାଳୟ ତ୍ରିପୁରା ମିଜୋରାମ ପାଇଁ 6th schedule 7th ହେଉଛି power division of power between Union and state ଆଉ 4th ଟା ହେଉଛି କଣ allocation of seats in राज्यसभा. Under which article the President of India can be removed by the process of impeachment? क्यों आर्टिकल साहाଯ୍ୟରେ प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया को प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया जे अछंती तांको रिमूव करा जाय परिबो महाभियोग ओरे आर्टिकल 61. Under article 61 of the constitution the president of India can be impeached for the violation of the constitution को violate कले which is solely to be decided by the parliament द्वारा decide करा जिवो. Article 57 is about eligibility for re-election. Article 57 होची eligibility for re-election. Article 76 deals with Attorney General of India. Attorney General होची Article 76. Article 79 to 122 deals with Parliament. Article 79 to 122 deals with Parliament. Article 79 about Parliament. 80 राज्यसभा 81 लोकसभा बुझिला. Under which of the constitutional provision the Supreme Court of India extend advice to the President of India? President of India को Supreme Court advice दियंती क्यों आर्टिकल रे आर्टिकल 141 आर्टिकल 142 आर्टिकल 143 आर्टिकल 144. राइट आंसर है आर्टिकल 143. Under Article 143 of the Constitution provision, the Supreme Court of India extends the advice to the President of India. The article is about power of President to consult Supreme Court. Article 141 and 142 given to so much power to the Supreme Court of India. The law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding all courts within the territory of India. Article 144 deals with civil and judicial authorities to act in the territory of India and so the Supreme Court. Under which article of the Constitution, article of the Parliament of India may constitute an administrative tribunal? Administrative tribunal ला केते नंबर आर्टिकल रे अछि? आर्टिकल 323 ए. आर्टिकल 323 ए specifies administrative tribunal like providing separate administrative tribunal for union and state jurisdiction power. Article 324 deals with the superintendent's direction of the control of election commission होची article 324 बुझला. Which of the following article deals with the impeachment process against the president? ये पढ़ ले article 61. Article 61 deals with procedure for impeachment of the president. It can be initiated by either house of the parliament and these charges should be signed by 1/4 members of the house. केते members थिबार sign हेबा दरकार ना 1/4 गृहर 1/4 sign हेबा दरकार. A 40 days notice should be given to the president. 14 दिन notice president को दिया जिवो. Article 58. Article 58 is about disqualification of election for president. Article 58 होची president को qualification. Article 58 deals with condition of president's office and Article 60 is about oath and affirmation of president. Article 60 होची oath. 58 होची qualification. 61 होची impeachment. 76 थिला कोनटा जे attorney general थिला. Which article of Indian Constitution is related with the protection of the interest of the minorities? Minorities को अग्राधिकार देबा पई बा तांको अधिकार पई केते नंबर आर्टिकल रे वर्णना करा जायछि. माइनॉरिटी पई article 30. Article 30 is about right of minorities to establish and administer educational institution. Educational institution रे administer पई कराइछि उल्लेख कराइछि article 30 रे. In article 31 compulsory acquisition of property is mentioned. Right to vote is a right to vote कोटे कोन political right ना civil right ना economic right ना legal right. Right to vote is a political right. Who was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigation PIL was introduced to the Indian judicial system? कि Chief Justice of India थे? M. Hidayatullah, A.M. Ahmadi, P.N. Bhagwati, A.S. Anand. Right answer. Public interest litigation समय थे P.N. Bhagwati. P.N. Bhagwati was the Chief Justice of India when public interest litigation was introduced to the Indian judicial system. The concept of public interest litigation is in consonance with the principles enshrined in Article 39A of the Constitution of India to protect and deliver prompt social justice with the help of law. Justice P.M. Bhagwati and Justice V.R. Krishna Iyer, who were among the first judges to admit PIL in the court. M. Hidayatullah thile ke 11th Chief Justice of India. He also served as Vice President and Acting President of India. M. Ahmadi thile 26th Chief Justice of India and ex-Vice Chancellor of AMU. A. Anand thile 29th Chief Justice of India 1998 to 2001 ମଧ୍ୟରେ. Judicial reviews, doctrine of partial announcement related to which article of the Indian Constitution? Judicial review, Article 13. Article 13 of the Indian Constitution deals with judicial review. What is the maximum time interval permitted between two sessions of parliament? दुईटा सेशन पार्लियामेंट को केते मैक्सिमम टाइम थाए माने इंटरवल टाइम इंटरवल थाए 6 मास टाइम इंटरवल थाए. The item education belongs to the concurrent list. The subject defined and enlisted under the list 3 of the 7th schedule of the Constitution of India. Subjects of list 3 7th schedule रे वर्णना करा जायछि. From the joint domain of both the state government and the Union Territories of India as well as the central government of India under this subject. This is known as concurrent list. Concurrent list बोले कौन joint domain होबो काका मते state government और Union Territories और central government of India भीतर जो joint domain होबो जहाँ concurrent list को जाए. The practical importance of the concurrent list when adopted in any federation lies in the fact. What is the maximum number of the elected members of Rajya Sabha? Rajya Sabha maximum number केते elected? 238. Membership is limited to 250 members, 12 of whom are nominated by the president. 12 जन president को द्वारा nominate होती जे कि contribute करती art रे not literature, science, social service. The remainder of the body is elected by the state and territorial legislature. The terms of office are 6 years. राज्य सभा member मान office केते कार्यकाल थाए ना 6 वर्ष. आउ प्रति 2 वर्ष थरे 1/3 member रिटायर करती. प्रति 2 वर्ष थरे 1/3 member रिटायर करती आउ 6 वर्ष ताकर कार्यकाल थाए. Although union list, state list, and concurrent list cover the entire legislative business, yet there may be an item not mentioned anywhere. Who will legislate that item? Parliament only. Which of the following articles cannot be suspended during national emergency? national emergency समय क्यों आर्टिकल को सस्पेंड करा जाई परिबो नाही? 14 15 ना 19 20 ना 21 22 ना आर्टिकल 20 21. Right answer is article 20 and 21. Article 20 and 21 can be suspended during national emergency. Which of the Indian constitution related to money bill? Money bill article 110. A bill is certified as money bill in Lok Sabha by କାହା ଦ୍ୱାରା ଗୋଟେ ବିଲ୍ କୁ money bill ବୋଲି ଲୋକସଭାରେ କୁହାଯାଇ ପାରିବ? Right answer is the speaker. The speaker of the Lok Sabha conducts the business in the house. He decide whether a bill is a money bill or a non-money bill. When the vice president officiate as president of India, he draws the salary of obviously president. Vice president chairman ଅଟନ୍ତି କାର? ରାଜ୍ୟସଭାର. Which one of the following article of the Constitution of India deals with the special provision with the respect to the state of Assam? Assam ପାଇଁ special provision ଅଛି. Assam ପାଇଁ special provision article 371B. Article 371B Constitution of India 1949 provides special provision with respect to state of Assam. सेमती एटा जम्मू काश्मीर ପାଇଁ ଅଛି थिला article 370. Which of the following schedule to the Constitution of India provides setting of autonomous district council? Sixth schedule. Answer is sixth schedule. Sixth schedule. The 4 states Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Mizoram contain the tribal areas which are technically different from the scheduled areas. Through those areas fell within the executive authority of the state, provision has been made for the creation of the district council and regional council for the exercise of the certain legislative judicial powers. Who chairs the joint session of the two houses of parliament? दुईटी हाउस मध्य के चेयर करती माने अध्यक्षता. राइट आंसर इज स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा. What is the maximum gap permissible between two sessions of parliament? 6 months. Who has got the power to create all India service? का पाखे पावर अच्छे ऑल इंडिया सर्विस को क्रिएट करने पे? पार्लियामेंट पाखे पावर अच्छे ऑल इंडिया सर्विस को क्रिएट करने पे. आर्टिकल 312 provides that all India service can be created. Only Council of States Rajya declares by resolution supported by not less than a 2/3 majority. In Provisional Parliament of India, how many members were there? 296 members. माने प्रोविजनल पार्लियामेंट जेतलो हरा से समय केते जन मेंबर थिले? 296 जन थिले. When the constitution took effect 26 January 1950, the Constitutional Assembly became the Provisional Parliament of India. It was provisional until the first election under the Constitution took place 1952 जे वर्तमान से जाइतला provisional. It had 296 members in 1950, which increased 313 following years with the inclusion of the princely states. राज्य मिसिया पर princely states एड हा पर सेटा 313 को वृद्धि पाइथिला. Who among the following gave the slogan गरीब हटाओ and led Congress to win the general election 1977? किए कहथिला स्लोगन थिला कार गरीब हटाओ और कांग्रेस को जितबा को सुजोग दियो. 1971 इंदिरा गांधी कहथिले गरीब हटाओ. गरीब हटाओ देश बचाओ स्लोगन हो इंदिरा गांधी को 1971 इलेक्शन रे कहथिले. राजीव गांधी तापर या को यूज करथिले स्लोगन को. दिस स्लोगन वाज पार्ट ऑफ द 5th 5 year plan. पंचम 5 year plan टाइम रे यूज हितला. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution includes the procedure for the impeachment of president? Impeachment article 61. In the Indian government, the constitution in the Indian government, the council of ministers is collectively responsible for the council of ministers responsible रहନ୍ତି का पे? लोक सभा पे. According to article 70 by Indian constitution, the council of ministers shall be collectively responsible to the house of the people. Which एमिट्स द फॉलोइंग स्टेट हैज ए लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल मध्यरु निम्नतम मध्यरु काबे लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल अछि राइट आंसर इज बिहार कुंबत बोली गोटे शॉर्टकट ट्रिक अछि के रे कर्नाटक यू रे उत्तर प्रदेश एम रे महाराष्ट्र बी रे बिहार ए रे आंध्र प्रदेश डी रे तेलंगाना ए सब राज्य रे लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल अछि Which of the following article in the shape of the directive principle mention the organization of the village panchayat? Village panchayat ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ article ରେ ବର୍ଣ୍ଣନା କରାଯାଇଛି? Shape of the directive principle ହେଇଛି village panchayat ପାଇଁ article 40. Article 40 ଟା ତ କହିଲା village panchayat ସେମିତି article 43 ହେଉଛି living wage etc of workers. Article 44 ହେଉଛି uniform civil code. Article 47 duty of the state raise the level of nutrition and standard of living, improve public health. Public health में article 47, article 44 uniform civil code. A two-tier system is prescribed by the 73rd Amendment Act 1992 for the state which population less than 10 ଲକ୍ଷରୁ କମ୍ ହେବା ଦରକାର ନା 5 ଲକ୍ଷ ନା 20 ଲକ୍ଷରୁ two-tier system 20 ଲକ୍ଷରୁ କମ୍ ହେବା ଦରକାର 73rd Amendment Act 1992 provides for three-tier system Panchayat Raj all the states having population over 20 lakhs 20 ଲକ୍ଷରୁ ଅଧିକ ହେଲେ ତାକୁ three-tier system ପାଇଁ 33ତମ amendment 1992 provide କରୁଛି If the election commission is satisfied that a candidate has failed to lodge an account of election expense within the prescribed time and in the manner for no good reason or justification, what is the period for which the election commission can disqualify him to be a member or from continuing to be member of the elected office from the date of the order? 3 ବର୍ଷ The term of the Finance Commission is 10 ବର୍ଷ 5 ବର୍ଷ 6 ବର୍ଷ 3 ବର୍ଷ Finance Commission को term होची 5 ବର୍ଷ The Finance Commission is a permanent body ना annual body ना triennial body ना quinquennial body Right answer is a quinquennial body The responsibility of preparation of electoral roll in India rests with the election commission electoral roll तो election commission होगा article 370 related to Jammu Kashmir Which article of the Constitution of India accords special status state of Jammu Kashmir 370 ଏଠି 370 କହିଦେଲି 370 related to Jammu Kashmir ଠିକ ଅଛି So friends 50ଟି क्वेश्चन ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ସରିଯାଇଛି ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି ପସନ୍ଦ ଆସିଥିବ ତାହେଲେ ଲାଇକ୍ କରିବେ ସେୟାର କରିବେ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇब କରିବେ ଏବଂ କମେଣ୍ଟରେ ଜଣାଇବେ ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟି କେମିତି ଲାଗିଲା ରହିଲି ଧନ୍ୟବାଦ